Hello everybody, you guys are option. I just post the thing for an hour or two, and then you find out my mistake already. Thank you for your help. Okay, in the comment, please comment on me. Okay, give me feedback, support, and I will improve myself. Thank you. For question 24, I make a mistake, really a big mistake about the terminology. Really, I apologize. Okay, for this part, going up. Okay, and it should be a depolarization, not repolarization. I'm sorry, I just mix it up with the name suddenly. Okay, forgot it. Okay, this is repolarization. Okay, okay, so it should be delay the repolarization, not delay the depolarization. So which one is incorrect? Yes, the second one is incorrect. Delay depolarization. No, it delay repolarization. And for the other two, resting potential, action potential, no problem of me. Okay, so the upper one is action potential. This is resting potential. By the broken line with the drugs. Okay, which part is lengthened the time? This part is lengthened. So which part? Yes, action potential is lengthened. So which is incorrect? Yes, C is incorrect. Resting potential is not lengthened. Action potential is lengthened. Next one is talk about the flow of a potassium ion. Option A and D are saying the same thing, but the flows of potassium ion described here are opposite. One is towards the cytoplasm. One is from the cytoplasm. So which one is correct? Okay, so you need to remember the process. Okay, it is cell membrane, and this is the cytoplasm. And then yes, you have to remember the process. In depolarization, sodium ion flows into the cytoplasm from outside, and in repolarization, potassium ion flow out from the cytoplasm, and at the same time, sodium ion flow out together. So in repolarization, when the action potential is being lengthened, what is the flowing direction of potassium ion? Yes, from the cytoplasm. So which one should be correct? Yes, from the cytoplasm. Released from the cytoplasm. So A is incorrect. So the final answer is D. Yes, thank you for your comments. Okay, you make me correct my mistake. Thank you, really thank you. And we are done with it. Okay, I must say well done to all of you. Thank you. See you.